Assalamu alaikum guys. So today is Saturday and I have decided to make a smart mini vlog about how I spend my weekends. So today I will also introduce me and my twin. How can we spend our time on weekend? Here's me. So guys, you can see my room, there is no book and study material, but on the other hand, while I visit my twin room, so guys, you can see that uh, here is a cabin of standard books like PMS, like PPSC book, and you can see that guys, his bed is filled with a bundle of notes, etc. Can you guys imagine that we are twins? So see him and look the divergence between us. Focus on camera. So Adil, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, obviously, I am Adil, his twin brother, and he's going to make rubbish things to meddle in my daily routine work.
Control. Control.
He's very indolent and used to interrupt me during my study. And
What kind of study you can?
I'm just doing my daily routine work about college life and
Whenever I
preparing
come to your room, you always preparing your notes and
because,
etc.
because the thing is that I have nothing to do except it, so that is why.
I have,
spend my
as
time.
we are twins, I have no a single interest in reading books or writing notes.
Yeah, actually,
but
it's a divergence between nature. Nature is always different between two. It doesn't depend on chromosomes or anything. Circumstances makes behavior.
Acha.
why we are changed? Both everyone thinks that the twins have same behavior and feelings also same, etc. But you are always trying to prepare yourself for CSS, writing notes, reading books. You have a deep interest in reading books. How much books do you have read before?
No more than 20 or 23 books. That's
Okay, that's a great number. So how did you think about that? Our same, if we are twins, so we have same feelings, etc.
Actually, according to my opinion, I
Mm.
didn't see any person who are totally similar in their nature or in their opinions. Rather, every person is totally divergent from each other.
Mm.
So it depends on the personality, the way how much you are socialized and you are introvert or not.
This is a good
extrovert.
thing you have introduced. So, guys, I have preparing breakfast for himself. Guys, he never tried to do any physical work. All the physical works are done by myself. So today I am making my breakfast also for himself. You can see that I am too much hard worker, and he always sit here and always ordered me to do that.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया मुन्ना
So guys, here is our breakfast. I also guys love to make breakfast for myself, so it is ready. Now it will serve to our junior partner. Here is your toast. How about the taste?
Very bad.
चुप बिल्कुल चुप हिम्मत कैसे हुई तेरी मुंह खोल
1 week later, I'm leaving the home to do some important tasks. This is beautiful ride ever. A small visit to our beautiful colony. There is beautiful houses you can see everywhere, and this is a startup journey of this colony. Some houses are under maintenance. I will see a beautiful luxury house that is building in our colony. Oh, mashallah. It looks like a castle.
A few minutes later.
speak by the way
San bhai.
Walaikum assalam what to speak by the way
Other CSS friends, scholar, and billionaire person.
billionaire person
So,
it's a very good
please.
compliment it's a very good compliment I am a billionaire now oh wow he is
Come
a
here,
scholar
come
he
here.
is our true scholar he is a true scholar
Kindly please introduce yourself.
Zan Amin from undergraduate from University of Sahiwal.
Okay.
Doing BS English, currently in the 8th semester.
Your other
Professions, I am fond of reading. I used to study in government college, Ariwala. I am fond of reading books. Here is it.
you both guys are
Both of us are scholars, but he's a piece of shit. I am the person who directs him where to go, what to do, what not to do. I am his instructor. I am his mentor.
A few minutes later.
Yes, my friend, that boosting his personality. Random meetup हो गया. Go away, friend. Go away.
These all the abuses in English, it doesn't excite or amuse people. The most interesting abuse in Punjabi is this is the person who always excites people to do these things, but he is also
Focus on his.
he is also known as the scholar, but he is also the son of Bohemia. He's going to pay. Jamil is going to pay because he is on the verge to be a failure.
Always I have to pay, bro. As routine, pizza fries and single burger is done.
Yeah, it's done.
बस नहीं, एक pizza fries कर दो और एक single burger.
He is the person who always copies me, but he just pretends he doesn't. Just look like him. He is his brother, Muhammad Adil.
And you can also say
You can people also say Adil, but you can also say him Chut. Good morning, my social media followers. Today we'll introduce you Jimmy, who calls himself Jimmy, but at social media we find him not type or not your Jimmy, not your type, something like this. That is a very big question. I'm very cautious about this, and today we'll ask him why he calls himself not your Jimmy. Jimmy, so why you call him? You call yourself not your Jimmy?
because I think that two people can't follow me and strangers always find me strange.
Okay, strangers always find him a stranger. And what about the beloved ones?
And who loves me and always find me a beloved person and a caring person. And
Okay.
A few minutes later.
so guys, my friend Zan is founder of tea.
I am the founder of tea.
And
I run a very big factory in Pakistan
Yes.
where I produce tea.
he drinks too much tea as he himself has a tea. Yes.
It's totally based on existentialism and absurdism. And to understand waiting for Voodoo, we have to understand the underlying principles of that. And that is existentialism is entirely different matter, and absurdism is entirely different matter. But both of these things related with life, the meaning of life, what to do and what not to do.
But you know about Albert Camus.
Albert Camus नहीं है. His exact pronunciation is Albert Camus. It's not campus. It's Albert Camus. He is the father of absurdism, and he wrote the game of Sisyphus. Yeah, the myth of Sisyphus.
Sisyphus. It's true pronunciation. Sisyphus.
True, but I told you the book, the name of the book.
It's not a book. This is just a myth.
A myth.
The